In today's video, I'm going to talk about courage and how it takes courage to be vulnerable. It does take courage to be vulnerable. Robin Phillips wrote in his book, Gratitude in Life's Trenches, that the word courage originally meant to speak one's mind, expressing your heart directly. Sure, it takes courage to do things that are heroic. The men that stormed the beach in Normandy in World War II were very courageous men, very brave men. Many of them died. However, we don't see that being open, honest, and direct with other people in our communication takes courage. It takes a lot of courage to speak the truth to people. It takes a lot of courage to be direct with people. It takes a lot of courage to tell people who you are not, what you're willing to do, what you're not willing to do, what you're responsible for, what you're not responsible for, and what you own and what you don't own. People are reluctant to speak honestly about their feelings and their experiences, whether they're good or whether they're bad. Yes, to be vulnerable is to be courageous. I encourage you to be courageous, be vulnerable, and speak the truth in love to other people. It'll help your relationships, it'll help the system in the business, and it's good for everybody. Hey, thank you and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.